The posterior compartment of the arm consists of two muscles, triceps brachii and the anconeus muscle. The first one we're going to talk about is the triceps brachii. And as its name suggests, triceps brachii has three heads. The long head seen here originates from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, whereas the medial head, which is the smallest of the three, arises from the posterior surface of the humerus inferior to the radial groove. And lastly, the lateral head originates from the posterior surface of the humerus superior to the radial groove. The three heads of the triceps brachii fuse into a common tendon that crosses the elbow joint before inserting onto the olecranon of the ulna. So when it comes to innervation of the triceps brachii, this muscle is innervated by the radial nerve, a branch of the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. The muscle of the posterior compartment of the arm has the opposite function to that of the muscle of the anterior compartment of the arm. As the muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm were strong flexors, the muscles of the posterior compartment of the arm are extensors. So we can say that triceps brachii muscle is responsible for extension of the forearm at the elbow joint. The long head of the triceps brachii muscle also performs extension and adduction of the arm at the shoulder joint. The other muscle of the posterior compartment of the arm is often overlooked. This muscle is called anconeus muscle. It is a small muscle located near the elbow joint. It is superficial and originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and inserts at the olecranon of the ulna. The nerve innervating this muscle is the radial nerve. The action of the anconeus muscle takes place when it contracts. It assists in the extension of the forearm at the elbow joint. The artery that supplies the posterior compartment of the is called profunda brachii artery. It is one of the main branches of the brachial arteries of the arm. In the next section, we will get into the detail of the brachial artery, its relation and its branches, so stay tuned.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.